Hello students, welcome to bonus gate classes for ECE. So in this video, let us see how the electron hole pair gets generated and recombinated. Okay. Now see, as we have discussed about the energy bands, valency energy band and conduction energy band. These two energy bands are important for studying the charge conductivities. Okay, that is electron current and the hole current. Now see how the hole gets formed. That means whenever the electron present in any valency band, which gets excited, and if it enter into the higher energy levels, so at that time the electron present in the valency band at that place, so there will be an absence of electron because the electron has moved into the higher energy state. Okay, that absence of electron place will be considered as a hole. Okay, now in the same way, after giving an excitation, so many electrons will get acquired energy and will enter into the higher energy state. So whether we consider it as a conduction energy band, so at that place where the electrons are free and they're capable of moving under the influence of electrical energy, okay, or voltages. Now see, so that's how a vacancy for every electron which enters into conduction band from valency energy band. So there will be a vacancy in the valency band and there will be a free electron in the conduction band. Okay, so that's how a free electron gets created, and here the vacancy gets created, which is nothing but the hole. Okay, that's how electron hole pair gets generated. Now see, again after generating, that means after acquiring higher energy and entering into the higher energy state, electron will stay for some other time and it will travel to certain distance, and after a certain time it will again recombines to the same place. Okay, by exciting the energy. That means whatever the energy it gets, so by that energy it has acquired into the higher energy state. After staying some time and after losing that energy, okay, again it will enter into the same original state. Okay, that means an electron get excited and get again into its own place. That means a hole gets completed. That means it has how it has generated and then recombination. Okay, that means this process will continue every time in a semiconductor. That is, whenever get excited, electron gets into higher energy state, stay some time, and it will move. That means it will provide current. That is, it will move certain distance. After some time, again it will get into its own state, that is valency band. So after okay, excitation, that means electron gets created and hole gets created and both gets recombination. Okay, so now see in the next video how these currents will be studied. Okay, this video tells about how just electron and hole pair gets created. Okay, thank you very much for listening to me. Bye.